How you doing? It's David with Joe Cooper Ford in Yukon, Oklahoma, talking about the Ford Freedom Sales Event. You know, today, Saturday, there's a lot of 16s on the lot that qualify. 0% APR with approved credit for 72 months. It's going to save you a lot of money. Now, if you're already a Ford owner, you could qualify for $1,000 in additional owner loyalty cash. Now, if you take that $1,000 and you add it to the 0% APR with approved credit and add the 72 months, you can get this Ford F-150 XLT for $449 a month. Hello, that's a good deal, but you gotta come by Joe Cooper Ford to get it. And if you don't want this one, there's plenty of them all over the lot. I'm telling you, 16s are everywhere, and it's time for you to act on it. The Ford Freedom Sales Event going on right now, Joe Cooper Ford.